We have the best fit line, all right? So we can see that these are anomalies, and these are data we should be able to quote to talk about how it supports the relationship. Okay, so what conclusion can we draw? Now, the height is at the x-axis, okay, and the temperature is at the y-axis. So please get the relationship right. The independent is over here, the dependent is the temperature. So conclusion, first mark, okay, should be the higher the height above the lowest survey point, the lower the temperature recorded in the valley. So basically we follow what is written in the axis. Okay, so also please preface it with what's the relationship. The height above the lowest survey point have an inverse relationship with the temperature. Okay, so this is the first mark. Now somebody tell me inversely proportionate. Hello, this is not math. Okay, next we want to talk about the data. So for example, when the height is at the lowest, so second one, this is where many of you forget to give me adjective. So here if I say higher versus lower, then I better use these words to describe my data. Okay, so for example, at the lowest height, okay, of 0 meters above the lowest survey point, the temperature is at its highest at 2.2 degrees Celsius, somewhere there lah. Okay, so remember to describe your data according to the words you use for the hypothesis or the conclusion. Okay, likewise give me the opposite. For example, maybe it's not the highest the anomaly. Okay, maybe it's the fourth most highest. Okay, sorry, this one I highlighted the wrong one. Yes, it should be this one. Okay, okay, so please don't forget your adjectives. Okay, so this is the next mark. Lastly, your anomalies. Okay, as you can see, the decrease is not constant. This one seems to be a bit faster than this one, and this one is a sudden drop. Okay, so maybe you can point out, however, the drop is not constant. Okay, so maybe you can point out just one set. After this is 96, maybe about 100, after 96 mm, maybe after 100 mm, after 100 mm in height. Okay, so for every increase, after 100 meters height above after 100 meters above the lower survey point. Okay, so which is looking at this side lah. 100 meters is the estimate lah. No need to be so accurate. Okay, because we are looking at this whole range. So after 100 meters above the lower survey point, every increase in height leads to a much more leads to a quicker drop in temperature. Okay, so at least point out the anomaly over here. Okay, or for some of you who did something like this over here, then you realize that this is an anomaly where the temperature is almost constant or decreased very slowly from about 60 meters to about 96 meters. Okay, so depending on what's your best fit line, then it depends on your conclusion. Okay, so I hope I don't know why many of you were very scared to point out the anomaly. Okay, the idea of best fit line is for you to see what are the anomalous data. All right, so please be careful next time, and don't forget this part to get the fullest mark.